Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to your science class today. You already got to know about your project, right? And hope you get those project of other subjects also. So today I will discuss about your science project. As today your science class, so today we will discuss your science project, and that is the name of your project is make a sailboat. Make a sailboat. Make a sailboat. Okay, so here which things you have to do to make your own sailboat? So listen everyone very attentively, take a copy book with you, that which things I will tell you, you can take a copy. So first of all you have to take a piece of thick paper. You have to take piece of thick paper, which things, that is you can, as I just tell you about a example, that is art paper. You can take this on any A4 size papers also, but you can take any thick paper with you. Okay, you can take any thick paper with you, and the piece of thick paper, when you can take the colorful paper also. You can take a black paper, white paper also, which you want to take as you wish. So you have to cut this paper like that. You have to cut this paper like this. Okay, and next process is process 2, that is take a thick and hard thin and it will be thin and hard stick. Thin and hard stick, it looks like that. Okay, and example of this, I will give an example for your better understand, that is toothpick. As you have toothpick, you can take this. As if you haven't any toothpick, you can collect any thin but hard stick. Okay, thin but hard stick like that, and that is not very big, that's small size. And the third is take a cardboard. And first of all, listen, don't buy any cardboard. Okay, don't buy any cardboard. Now can you see the board, Parvez? So next is the cardboard. So don't buy these things, as we are shopping many things from online nowadays. Tell your parents to keep those those cardboard box at home, and you can make this piece, the base of your sailboat, by these things also. Okay, but listen, don't buy those things. That's but if you collect this from your friends or from your relatives, you can do this. If your friend didn't get those cardboard things or any things, you have to share with them also. Okay, as you already learn about the sharing. So share your, if you have much, if you have the many cardboards, many toothpicks or papers, you can share with your friends also. Rishi, did you join now? First of all, that make a sailboat. Your project is make a sailboat, and here that is, first of all you have to take a piece of thick paper. Sritama, Rishi, I am now repeating. Listen very attentively. Okay, listen very attentively. Srenika, hope your network is slow, but you can rejoin this class. Okay, you can rejoin it. So first of all, you have to make a sailboat, your own sailboat. That is your project. Next is piece of thick paper. First of all, you have to take a piece of thick paper, art paper or A4 size, any one, or if you had anything. Sharanya, I am now repeating. Can't you understand? Okay, so art paper or A4 size paper, those anything you can take as a piece of thick paper, and you have to cut it like that, cut it like it. Next you have to take a thin and hard stick, thin and hard stick like these things, as like toothpick also. If you have toothpick, you can take these things. And this cardboard, don't buy any cardboard, because we are if you can't get it, you can tell me in your chat box. But if hope we buy many things from online, and we will get those things by the cardboard. Okay, so those cardboard boxes, those boxes you can use this, you can make your base of your sailboat. And those cardboard you have to make like this. And if you didn't get those cardboard anywhere to you, then you can collect those things, or you can buy the one piece. Okay, so that is the cardboard size and shape. And if you have to cut your cardboard like this shape, okay, like this shape, and then you have to make these things that I have to erase it, those picture. So here now the base of the cardboard you have to put it, then here the piece of paper which you cut it by your piece of paper, then put this stick inside it and put them in this base of cardboard, as this is the base of your sailboat. So put them this stick on your in this cardboard. Okay, you understand it? Which blue pen, Shibanita? I can't understand your which things you want to tell me. Please clear it, Shibanita. So you have to make it like this. And if you want to decorate your sailboat, you can do this. If you want to decorate your sailboat, you can do this. Okay, by color it, by anything. Okay, with that things as your wish. But these things you have to make it, and under this board, under this board, you have to write your name, your class also. Yes, Shibanita, you have to make these things, right? By those paper, toothpick and the cardboard, you have to first make those things, then you have to color it. And if you want to write your name, you can write it in blue pen, but that is under of your this cardboard, okay, under of your this base of your sailboat. You can do this. And if you want to decorate your sailboat, you can do this as your wish. And hope you all understand how to make this sailboat. Have you any problem to make this, or have you any problem? You can ask me now. Okay, hope you all understand. And if you can't understand, you can see the page number 48 of your book. Page number 48 of your book. If you have any questions, if you face any problem, you can get help from this page number 48 also, okay, of your book. Okay, now open your book at page number 43. That thing which we already discussed, that homes of food and homes of animals, and today we will start the exercise part of this chapter, and you have to take your copy book with you. Hope you all done this homework. So I'm now erasing these things. If you have any problem for making it, you can ask me also in the chat box of your e-portal chat box also you can ask me. Okay, now I have to erase it and take your page at page number 43. Page number 43. Question number A. Here you will get some questions. Tick the correct answers, and with some option, 3 option, you have to choose the correct one. So first one is a dash eats insect and worms. A dash eats insects and worms. So tell me, who eats insect and worms? And here you will get the 3 option, that is option A cow, option B spider, and option C pigeon. So who? Srinika, 48 page you will get those project. Okay, you will get help from there. But now open the 43, the exercise part which we are discussed previous day. Yes, very good. So a spider eats insects and worms. A spider eats insect and worms. So a spider eats insect and worms. Next, a horse lives in a horse lives in a dash. So here also you get 3 options: den, stable, and burrow. So where the horse lives in? Yes, that is stable. Write it in full sentence, everyone. Very good, Sharanya. A horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. Next is question B. Here you will get in your left column the name of some animals, and the right columns you have the home of those animals. So you have to match those right columns to left columns. So first it is dog. The animal name is dog. Second, bird, and the next is the rabbit. And besides it, there is also name of their homes, but we have to match it, that where they live. So tell me where the dog live. Very good, Rishi. Very good, Shovik, Surya. So very good, Parvez. Dog lives in kennel. Kennel, kennel. As you know, dog can't make their own house, that is made by human. So human make kennel for dog. So dog lives in kennel. Birds lives in nest. Birds make their own home, you know this, and the tree side or any the roof of our houses also, there the bird make their own nest. And the rabbit make burrow and in the ground. Rabbit make burrow in the ground, right? Very good. Very good, Rezaul, Shovik, Shubhecha, Sritama. Yes, very good. Now go to your next part, that is question number C. Complete the sentence with the help of the words given below. Complete the sentence with the help of the words given below. I am now erasing these things. And the C is that here is your some blanks with the sentence, and you will get some words in this yellow box, and you have to match those words, those options with this sentence. Okay, So first of all, goat and deer are dash. Goat and deer are dash. Are they flesh eaters? Are they grain eaters? Are they plant eaters? Are they insect eaters? So you have to choose the correct one. Very good, very good. So they are plant eaters. So goat and deer are plant eaters as they eat only plant leaves and grass. Next is chameleon and lizard are. Very good, Rishi. Chameleon and lizard are. So which things they eat? They eat flesh, grain or insect, because we already choose the plant eaters here. So chameleon and lizard are insect eaters. Very good. They are insect eaters. They only eat the insect, right? They only eat the insect. Next is lion and tiger. We can see them in zoo, right, or in forest also. So lion and tiger, they only eat the flesh of other animals. Flesh of other animals. So that's why they are the flesh eaters. They are the flesh eaters. And the next is pigeon and hen are dash. You know those birds are grain eaters because they eat only food grain. So pigeon and birds are grain eaters. Pigeon and birds are grain eaters because they eat only grain. Okay, so today we discussed about the A, B and C. We discussed with the question A, question B, question C at your exercise part of your food and homes of animals at page number 43, right? But as we already discussed on it, and we discussed about the we discussed about this making sailboat also. So hope you all understand how to make your sailboat. And if you have any problem with making this, you can ask me at your e-portal. Okay, chat box of your e-portal also. Chat box of your e-portal. You can ask me there also. Okay everyone, hope you all understand it. So have a nice day and bye.